Just throw Coca-Cola in the soap and you will thank me for this tip. It is simply wonderful the result that this mixture makes. I stopped spending money. Guys, look at this good tip that you can do in your house. You are going to do the following. You are going to get a bar of soap. You are going to get a grater. And we are going to grate all this soap right here in the pot. This way, simple and easy. We are going to grate everything very well. Done that. Now you come with 600 ml of Coca-Cola. We are going to put it here, and then we are going to add also 500 ml of water, normal water at room temperature. You will see how wonderful this tip is, and how it helps housewives. Now we are going to turn it on medium to low heat. It doesn't have to be very high heat. And we are going to stir this until all the soap is dissolved very well. Look, all the soap has melted here. You can turn off the fire now, very carefully so as not to spill it. After that you take another container with water, with approximately 150 ml of water, and add a spoonful of salt, mix it gently. And you can add it here to the mixture we made, add it little by little so it doesn't spill. Add it little by little and you will notice that this salt water will make our mixture start to thicken, this way. Add it little by little and mix it well, the consistency is already changing. After you notice that our mixture is already getting another consistency, you get some small pots that we are going to transfer our mixture into. It can be any container you have at home, either glass or plastic. And we are going to add it here. If you want, you can put a bigger one. Add our mixture very carefully, and notice its consistency, how wonderful it is. And then just cover it, and leave it here to cool. If you want to speed up the process, you can also take it in the fridge, but there's not so much need because here it already hardens pretty fast. I'll leave it here, and show you the result. So, folks, after all this time, look how it turns out. It's a very consistent mixture, and this is an excellent cleaner and renovator of metal parts. That's right, this is a super potent mixture, capable of leaving your pans as good as new. If you have a grimy pan in your house, metal parts, jewelry, you can rub this dirt with Bombril and it won't come off. This will give an incredible shine to metal parts in your house. You can simply take a sponge or a steel wool and come here with just a little bit of the product. It doesn't need to be a lot, because it is very strong, and simply come here and rub it in your pan. Here I am finishing rubbing it right here. This process is super fast. You'll notice that your pans will be shining very quickly. There you go, folks. I'm going to rinse it off for you to notice the result. It cleans pans and metals very easily. Stop spending money on expensive products at the supermarket, with this wonderful tip here on the page. Look at the shine it gives. Besides cleaning, it also leaves a very nice shine. So that's it, folks. Do it at your house because it helps a lot. It is super efficient. Until the next tip, bye.